am here to introduce you all with today's activity, whose name is debate competition. Today we are going to participate in this debate competition on the topic replacing teachers with computer. As you know, our class has been divided into two comprising boys and girls respectively. The first group of girls has chosen side A in favor of the motion, and the group of boys has chosen side B against the motion. Let's begin the debate.
Okay, beta. Thank you. First of all, I would like to wish you all good afternoon. Secondly, one question is to be given to group A, to group 1 of girls from my side on behalf of these all boys who are the parts of group B. Are you ready to accept my question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it possible that all the teachers, I mean to say, teachers in the form of the human beings, can be replaced with computers to teach the students of this 21st century?
Yes, sir, it is possible.
Kindly put your arguments.
As computers can give us repetitive explanations.
Yes.
Everyone has their own ability to grasp things. Where one student can understand the matter in such one explanation, a slow learner needs 2 or 3 times to get an explanation. Often such students hesitate to ask repeated explanation on a topic in the classroom. Today, find e-learning far better than classroom learning as they do not fear of getting scored
Wait
by
1
the
minute.
teacher.
Now, they can also put the question against her arguments. The arguments which are being put by this contestant can also be objected to by you. It depends on you whether you put your objections or not. Otherwise, she will keep putting the arguments continuously. Yes, go on as you wish. She says, this the participant, this the contestant says that it is totally possible that all the teachers can be replaced with computers. What do you have to say? Do you have some kind of objection or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please put
No.
your objection.
Teacher can never be replaced by the technology or computer because computer do not have human touch where teacher have.
Meanwhile, you can also speak out some words.
Teacher have an emotional connect with the student. Teacher act as a role model or inspiration for the student. A computer never teaches you ethics or manner where teacher have.
Yes.
Computer can take tests without any fear of getting failed.
If you want to speak some words, beta, you can speak at the same time.
But knowledge and communicating the teachers and students creates the perfect learning environment which can never be achieved through virtual learnings.
Yes, speak out, beta. Very good.
Computers are interesting to be learned.
You can also speak out, beta, your words. Yes, please.
Students learn the things far better than
Healthy discussion, beta.
in which they are interested.
How can you say that computers are good from teachers?
Computer has every answer of every question.
But computers cannot teach like the teachers.
Computers can teach far better than teachers.
Any more student from your side, beta? Yes, please speak out the words. Only for the sake of you, for the betterment of you. It should be a healthy debate. Yes.
It's computer lets guides and mentor a student like a teacher. Teachers are the role model who set an example to the students and drive them towards a brighter future.
Yes. What do you have to say?
Computers give us faster learning.
Okay, looking at your contestant, looking at your opposition party,
What a slow learner do? What a slow learner do? With the computers, a teacher can give an example to their answers, but a computer will not give an example to their.
Computer can give a lot of examples of the same question.
any more student, please give the question. You can also put the questions. Why not? This is the only single student who is giving the questions, who is objecting. Try to have a healthy debate, beta. Yes. From girls' side. Yes, beta. Can computers perform all the duties as being performed by the human beings in the classroom?
Yes, sir. We can set programs in it.
But this is the question, okay, has been given to you. from the students from this group B sides, and these the students are also trying their best. So is it possible that computers can perform all the duties which are performed by the human beings, the teachers also?
If computer will get damaged, and what will you do? They will repair a computer for long 1 month.
Yes.
There may be an accident with the teacher also.
So there are many more teachers who teach us.
Who can be replaced?
Can be replaced with our teacher.
He says that if there is, yes, if there is something wrong in operating the computer and the computer is not working properly on some day, the class will definitely suffer a lot. Okay, because of that technical fault in that computer. But if the teacher is not feel, if the teacher does not feel well, so the other teacher can be replaced. Okay, with him. So is it possible? So what do you have to say? Yes, you will ask. You will put your argument better. Yes, yes. Why not? Such questions will be given. Yes, definitely.
Teacher teaches you moral value where the computer cannot.
Yes. Speak loudly and in group, in a single one voice, in unison better.
But nowadays children are facing many boring lectures nowadays.
Yes.
How can we replace them in school?
Yes. Give the reply. Give the reply. What does he want to say? Speak your words again better. What do you want to say?
In school we find very boring lectures some days. How can we replace that?
Have you understood or not the question? Again, try your best to convince the participants of the opposition party. Yes, better. Yes, try.
Sir, I am asking that in school we are facing many boring lectures.
Yeah.
How can we replace that at school?
Okay. She says that while getting lessons from the teachers, they can also feel bored. Okay. So how can it be possible that they can replace the teachers in that condition? They will get the lecture in the same way.
Will you not get bored in computer classes?
But we can skip that.
This
If you skip that, you will know software studies. That will not in schools.
yes,
We
better.
can
Yes.
learn it from other channels, other teachers that we find comfortable.
If you learn from other teachers, then you will skip this lesson.
Other teachers are also teaching that lesson.
Teacher adjust according to his adaptation things.
Yes, very good. Speak. I'm so pleased. Yes, any more? Please speak out the words. What do you have to say? So that it can be a very healthy debate. No? Healthy debate. We want to make it a healthy debate.
The bond between teacher and student is a human bond. It is a human connect which a computer can't replace.
Yeah. What do you have to say, beta, regarding this question? This statement. Again, read the statement for her.
The bond between teacher and student is a human bond. It is a human connect which a computer can't replace.
Yes.
At home, parents can also teach us moral values,
Yes.
and they are also
Very good.
teaching.
Yes.
Human mind is that mind which is only understand by how can you say that you will understand and take lessons from your virtual learning.
Beta, how would you like a computer punish the student if he or she makes any kind of activity against the protocol of the study room? How can it be possible that the computer can punish a student for his or her mistake? Would you like to give me the explanation? Is it possible for a computer to punish any student for his or her mistake?
So computer can call to the parents.
Yeah, definitely. You are right. Computer can also send the same message regarding the same student on his registered mobile number, so that the parents can take action against the same student.
So
Namas-
children are quick to learn something that they are interested in.
Yes.
And nowadays, in 21st century, every student is very attached to their smartphone and computers.
Yeah. She says that the children will take the teaching of computer more effectively, since they are very fond of using the different kinds of apps also. So they will take the teaching of the computers very interestingly, very easily, and they will find no lesson as a boring one. Okay, just like the human beings. Sometimes we get bored while getting some lesson from the teachers also, and we want that the teacher should quit the class very immediately. But we have to sit down there continuously. So what do you have to say, beta? Yes, yes, yes. Any more argument from your side?
Computer cannot teach discipline.
Yes, computer.
Morality.
Yes, and they
But
are
at the school level, beta, this is the matter of school, na? This is the matter of school.
Student use computers for listening to music and playing games. Will they not playing games during the lectures?
Yes, he says that the students can also misuse the computers, since they will also have some kinds of devices in their hands.
but
So
they can also bunk classes in school.
yes, he says yes, yes. Give the answer to.
But there is pressure of teachers and DPs in school, and there is no pressure at home.
Your parents are good.
If your parents will go outside, then you will misuse the computers and laptops.
Why not? Yes.
Computers can also play the role of teaching.
Speak out some words.
We will minimize the computers and play games behind the lectures.
Yes, yes. From your side, put your more arguments.
Teacher see all the activities of student in the student.
Yes, yes.
All the
Let us speak out your words. You are speaking very fantastically.
see all the activities of student where the computer cannot.
You should not have any kind of hitch in your mind. Na? Speak frankly.
The connectivity of human teachers is not done by, will not do by computers.
Yes.
There are many online teachers who are playing their role very efficient.
You will not go in computer classes. You will go.
We can skip that.
If you skip that main topic,
There are many teachers.
They will also put an bad effect, na? Bad effect.
bad
Yes,
effects
sir.
in our eyes.
And a bad effect on your eyes,
Throughout the year.
on your
How it-
ears and eyes.
Yes.
But in offline classes, there is lot of waste of paper, time also.
Bad effect on his health. Bad effect.
Yes. He says that the students understand each and everything as explained by the teachers. Okay? And the computers cannot make them fully satisfied.
There are also step-by-step explanation in online classes.
Yes, yes. Is it possible that computers can reply all questions, all queries, okay, immediately, as raised by the students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. They don't know. Computers.
Sometimes teachers also don't know that question.
Yes. All the things are not available na, in the hard disk of computers, and some things are out of knowledge of computer also. They can only be solved by the human beings.
Textbook don't come cheap and neither does the annual photography. How can we?
Yes, here is a question from her side. Yes, beta.
Textbook don't come cheap and neither does the annual photographing bill. How can we solve that problem?
Give the answer.
लिख के ला रही है, कोई नहीं लिख के लाया यहाँ से।
No matter, you can also write down the questions in advance. What is the
Textbook don't come cheap and neither does the annual photographing bill. How can we solve that problem?
This is 21st century.
Yeah.
permanent vacation. No, it is not a good idea.
You will have to pay for lectures and also you have to pay for internet and your computer is also being damaged. This is much higher.
But computer can provide that book in cheap ways also.
Any more query from your side? Otherwise, I would like to wind it up.
Computer will not teach us discipline, but teacher teaches discipline.
How much time will you repeat? Don't say finish.
Okay. No matter, my dear students, you have really performed in this competition very nicely and frankly. I am fully satisfied to all arguments as being put by you here in this competition. Thank you very much.